modularity, handling, versatility. These, in short, are the features of the Ulysse model. A highly advanced vehicle, especially in its concept. An innovative formula which combines the typical functionality and capaciousness of a space wagon with all the values of prestigious saloon cars. Let us take a look at the shape, which is characterized by the essentiality of the lines, a personal and elegant style outlined by two curved surfaces blending perfectly with the large windows. Thanks to the large wraparound windscreen and the smooth bonnet, the front is important and harmonious. The radiator grille with incorporated headlamps reflects the proportions and lightness of that of a saloon. The side view of the Ulysse clearly shows the proportion of the volumes and the decidedly favorable ratio between mechanical obstacles and the usable space. An exclusive feature of the Ulysse is the presence of two sliding side doors, the runners of which are perfectly hidden within the bodywork. At the rear, the vehicle is distinguished by its large rear door, reduced ground clearance, and the bumpers at the same level as the floor. The large rear screen and the smooth styling between the number plate area and the tail light clusters. Despite its rather important visual impact, the Ulysse is smaller in length than an upper market saloon car. 4 meters and 45 centimeters. It is 1 meter 71 centimeters in height and 1 meter 83 centimeters in width. So, contained dimensions, all to the advantage of exceptional handling, which, by the way, is enhanced by power steering, a standard item on all versions. Handling, traveling comfort, performance. This vehicle proves its worth also as far as these features are concerned. The two engines, coupled to a 5-speed gearbox, both with 4 cylinders, 8 valves, and a 2-liter cylinder displacement with overhead camshaft and electronic management, are the most powerful currently available on the market. The 2000 electronic injection engine delivers 121 EEC horsepower with a maximum torque of 17.3 kilograms. Frugal in consumption levels, with 9.5 litres per 100 kilometres, Ulysse can notch up a speed of 177 kilometres per hour and reach 100 kilometres per hour from a standstill start in just 13.1 seconds. With its 147 EEC horsepower and a maximum torque of 24 kilograms at 2,500 RPM, the 2-liter electronic injection turbo diesel engine is by far the most powerful and brilliant 2-liter power unit installed on a space wagon, though consumption only amounts to 10.1 litres per 100 kilometres. Top speed is 195 kilometres per hour, and acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometres per hour takes 10.1 seconds. Performance ratings of this level are supported by a chassis capable of offering the highest safety conditions, precision handling, and comfort under all circumstances. The front suspension is of the McPherson type, with offset springs and stabilizer bar. The rear suspension has a deformable twisting axle with taut arms and Panhard bar to reduce transversal loads. This solution offers highly reduced dimensions of the assembly and perfect road holding. The braking system is mixed with self-ventilating discs at the front and drums at the rear for the version with the 2-liter aspirated engine. Disc brakes all round for the faster 2-liter turbocharged version. The 4-channel ABS system is available on the whole range and is a standard item on the top versions. At the wheel of the Ulysse, one immediately notes how each functional detail is intended to provide driving pleasure and extremely high level of comfort. The raised driving position makes it possible to dominate the road and the space outside, while the short bonnet and the window between the doorpost and the windscreen pillar offer outstanding vision in parking maneuvers. At high speed, silence reigns. The soundproofing of the passenger compartment and the elimination of wind noise make it possible to make the most of the sophisticated stereo equipment with its controls on the steering wheel spokes. Looking at the dashboard, one can see how the broken line of the windscreen and bonnet has made it possible to design a dashboard that is very compact lengthwise, a highly distinctive car-like solution. A rounded hood surrounds the instrument cluster and the center air vents. The cluster contains 4 circular instruments and a whole series of warning lights. The center console, with its island shape, accommodates the heating and ventilation controls, the ashtray, and above all, the gear shift lever. This solution is the result of accurate ergonomic research, and it gives the driver full control of the gears with minimal movement of the arm. The arrangement of the gear shift control on the console and the location of the handbrake lever to the left of the driver's seat have, among other things, made it possible to free the area between the 2 front seats. The dashboard can accommodate a sophisticated anti-theft device with personalized code which prevents the engine from being started. The radio compartment is concealed, and there are 2 glove boxes. The driver and passenger seats have been designed to offer top levels of comfort also on long journeys. 4 different types of trim are available depending on the versions: fabric, velour, cuirasse, and leather. In the 6-seat versions, the seats are of the captain chair type with special padding. All versions except the base version are fitted with inclinable headrests and center armrest. The HL is further enhanced with lumbar support and electrical adjustment, also for height. Upon request, the Ulysse is fitted with a dual sunroof. The front is opened upwards by hand. The sliding rear one is electric and is fitted with a photocell safety device, which prevents it from moving if it meets an obstacle. The Ulysse is unrivaled on the subject of passive safety. The body has been designed to offer the occupants the utmost protection in the case of impact, and it features a front section with differentiated resistance, side panels protected by door sills placed at a higher position than in other cars, and by a passenger compartment cage with an undeformable structure. The seatbelt pre-tensioner is a standard item. The energy absorption steering wheel with collapsible steering column. The interior trim made from fireproof materials. The FPS and airbag are just a few of the devices adopted to enable peaceful and safe driving. For a vehicle like the Ulysse, with a large interior and a highly extensive glazed surface, an extremely powerful climate control system has been developed. The airflow rate is 700 cubic meters per hour, and it is capable of evenly distributing the airflow to the entire passenger compartment. The vehicle's multi-purposefulness is enhanced by an extremely functional passenger compartment module. The interior has been designed to accommodate up to 8 passengers and can be transformed according to requirements. The seats are arranged in 3 rows and they can be moved, turned around, tilted, or removed to create a tailor-made space for all transporting and loading requirements. The front seats too can rotate by 180 degrees to create a working environment, a lounge, or even a comfortable bedroom. Ulysse, the performance levels of a saloon, the evolution of space in motion.